Make a great choice today with
the 2023 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, rear step bumper, tailgate step, remote engine start, hood scoop, cargo bed light, LED, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler. Your new ride is just a phone call away.